Hello, everyone! Let's practice English listening for beginners. Today's topic is daily activities. You will listen to a short story about work, study, and evening activities. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.
Part 1. Vocabulary Listening. Listen and guess what I say. 1. Work. 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 2. Study. Study. 2. Study. Study. 3. Relax. Relax. 3. Relax. Relax. 4. Evening. Evening. 4. Evening. Evening. 5. Dinner. Dinner. 5. Dinner. Dinner. 6. Watch TV. Watch TV. 6. Watch TV. Watch TV. 7. Read a book. Read a book. 7. Read a book. Read a book. Part 2. Listening text. Listen carefully and complete the missing words. I will read the text 2 times. Maria wakes up at 7 a.m. Maria wakes up at 7 a.m. She works in an office. She works in an office. She starts work at 9 a.m. She starts work at 9 a.m. In the afternoon, she studies English online. In the afternoon, she studies English online. In the evening, Maria relaxes at home. In the evening, Maria relaxes at home. She eats dinner, watches TV, and reads a book before bed. She eats dinner, watches TV, and reads a book before bed. Now let's check your answer. Maria wakes up at 7 a.m. She works in an office. She starts work at 9 a.m. In the afternoon, she studies English online. In the evening, Maria relaxes at home. She eats dinner, watches TV, and reads a book before bed. Part 3. True or false? Listen again and answer. Question 1. Maria wakes up at 7 a.m. True or false? Correct answer, true. Question 2. Maria works in a hospital. True or false? Correct answer, false. She works in an office. Question 3. Maria studies English in the afternoon. True or false? Correct answer, true. Part 4. Choose the correct answer. Question 4. What does Maria do in the evening? A. She studies math. B. She relaxes at home. C. She works late. Correct answer, B. She relaxes at home. Question 5. What does Maria do before bed? A. She plays football. B. She reads a book. C. She goes shopping. Correct answer, B. She reads a book. Great job! Did you answer all the questions correctly? Write your score in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and practice English every day. See you in the next English listening practice video.